Hi, I'm Uncle Cliff from Uncle Cliff's Kitchen. Welcome to our show.
Let's get started with our French toast.
Okay.
Okay. You know, when we were going to start off, I had other things in mind, but Uncle Cliff is in charge of his own kitchen, so we're doing his French toast and his pancakes this morning. So, got nice thick bread for you. The custard's already made. Simple custard. It's cinnamon, egg, vanilla, a little bit of nutmeg.
Okay.
Again, we do the same thing. We throw it in the blender, whip it up, and we get a nice frothy custard like that. To me, key is, Cliff, is
Soaking it.
yeah, you want to make it happy, right? So get it in there, let it be a sponge.
Sponged up.
Yep, yep. Some butter down. And away we go. So have you ate yet this morning, Cliff?
No.
You didn't? You saved it for?
At 5 o'clock I had a bowl of oatmeal.
Oatmeal? And there we are. Well, we're going to brown them on each side.
Oh, okay.
We want to get the temperature on the inside of that going too.
The sauce you put on, is that just butter?
That's just butter.
Okay.
What's our French toast looking like? It's getting there. Yeah. And we're cooking. So let's do our banana Foster, right? You like that? Simple stuff. Come after the banana. Cliff, over there, you'll see one big dish of butter and brown sugar. Give me both of those. And what I'll have you do is, you can go ahead and do this. That butter goes in there first. We'll let that melt down. We'll throw the brown sugar on top of it.
I want the brown sugar.
Throw it right in there. Cliff, do you know what makes banana Foster?
Nope.
Other than the obvious that we just put the butter and the brown sugar in?
Sugar.
It's what's in this right here.
Honey?
No.
Brandy?
Yes. Spiced rum.
Spiced rum.
So that's about ready to go. So I'm going to give you your bananas in there. Give those a little swirl with your spatula over there, Cliff. And we are ready to go. We're ready for some flame. Okay. Best part of the job on this one. There. Now we're cooking, right?
Cook it.
French toast is good. And move the stuff over here. Just don't cheat. Don't want to use that on there. Now you said you were hungry, right, Cliff?
I'm always hungry.
Now, should I be calling you Cliff or Uncle Cliff while we're in your kitchen? Should be Uncle Cliff, right?
Well, that's fine. Cliff or Uncle Cliff?
Uncle Cliff. Whoops. French toast. And here's your Fosters that Uncle Cliff made. Set that back over here.